Everyone thought he was retired. Indeed. Doesn't my mom look old? I mean, much older than she actually should.
Are you going to get up?
No.
I don't know.
You better get up. How are we supposed to... You better get up.
What, are you going to split me out?
No.
You're going to get me out.
We're not going to go to the movie if you don't get up. I'm recording this so Mommy can see you being a crybaby. You gonna get dressed so we can go watch Megamind? Why not?
Because you were with spit. Because you do that and I don't want that. Please. Can you give me a tissue?
No. Get up so we can go watch. You got to get dressed so we can go watch the movie. Fine, we're not going to watch the movie.
I'll see if I can get a tissue because I have a booger.
Get up and go get a tissue.
I'll see if it's not recording that. It's that.
It fix what?
The back pressure.
You broke it.
Fix it.
I can't fix it. You broke it.
Yeah, you can with me.
I can't tape it back together. It ain't going to be fixed.
It's easy. All you have to do is just do that. Easy.
It is not going to be fixed if I do that.
Yeah, well.
Adriana,
What?
get up and get dressed so we can go see the movie.
Oh, you stop recording that.
I'll stop.